While in his day-to-day work, he realized that the banks take advantage of the depositors. According to him, the bank makes about 1,500% of the money you deposit without your consent, but it doesn't give you the profit they make. What they do, according to Mafrodi, all of us, you know, we have bank accounts. I'm very sure we all have bank accounts. So you take your money because you don't keep your money under the mat. Because a farmer who produces goods and services doesn't get paid as much as a person who works in the bank or owns the bank. If money was the measure of labor, those people who work very hard could be very rich. We know people who wake up very early, they work throughout the day, but at the end they earn very little. So it's not a measure of labor as such. We know the stockbrokers who do very little with their computers, they make more money. So it is still an unfair system. It's an unfair financial system. And Mafrodi wanted to address that. So he came up with the MMM. MMM meaning Mafrodi Mondial Movement, to help people help each other. That is the concept. Help people help each other. MMM doesn't take anyone's money. It's a platform of mutual fund where people help each other. So I can say MMM is a social network that connects the one who wants to donate money with the one who wants to get money. Participants transfer money directly to each other. It's a peer-to-peer system. So there's no central account where money is put together. We know that if you go back to the ideology of MMM and you find out the background of MMM, initially they used to keep the money just like the bank. You know, the way the bank keeps the money in the safe. And if you read about MMM, remember the Russian government at some point took the money from the community by force, claiming that they don't pay taxes. So people lost money. People lost money because the government was unhappy that the money. Coffee.
Hot water. Hot water.
Clean. Who owns the bank? It's the rich, the politicians, yeah? And they will never be happy when a common nation changes their financial status. The rich wants the poor to remain poor so that they can manipulate them. So it's upon the poor people to come up and see what they can do for themselves. And that's what everybody is trying to address. So how does it work? Yeah? You have heard the story, the background of MMF. How does it work? It's a platform. There is nowhere we send the money. We send money amongst ourselves. Yeah? So in MMM, you first start by becoming a member, which means you contribute something to the community. You provide help. That is the word we use. You provide help. Of the amount from 1,000 to 1 million, 10 shillings. So you provide your spare money. You don't go and sell your property and put it in MMM. It's not an investment. It's not a multi-level company. It's not a company. It is a community of people who wants to help each other in good faith. It is based on trust. Yeah? So when you provide help, your money is called Mavro. That is the currency of the system. So the money that you provide help starts earning interest from the day you provide help of 30% per month compounded. What does that mean? If today you provide help or you donated 10,000 Kenya shillings, at the end of the month, if you provide a help of 10,000 shillings, first you get 2,000 as a registration bonus. So you have 12,000. Immediately you register. So when you provide help, you have 12,000 that will start earning interest. Interest of 30%, but now we have an offer, which we don't know when it's going to end, of 50%. So at the end of the month, you can ask more than, you can ask 15,000 comfortably from the system. And somebody somewhere will give you that help, will give you the money within 36 hours. That's the concept. Your money grows 30% every month, compounded. So if you don't withdraw your money, it earns interest. If it is 10,000, it earns 3,000. You don't withdraw, the 13,000 earns another 30%. So it's compounded. Yeah? The money is called money. So our system, if you have your personal office, this is how it looks like. We only have two important things: the provide help icon and the get help icon. So this is where you click when you want to provide help. You give help to someone. And this is when you want to withdraw the money now. Okay. You know somebody, we have guiders here. One guider will give us the risk of MMM. Yeah? We did that in guiders. So, can one guider give us the risk of MMM? Let's give us two. There are no guarantees, yeah? Okay? So it's not...
Maybe she can.
Yeah, because, for example, in life is about risk. Because even here we are risking. Because this building can collapse. So in MM even there are no guarantees. You put what you can afford. Yeah.
To lose.
Rather you work with spare money. Spare money. You know? Not the one that you know you really need tomorrow and in case anything happens. You know? So just relax. Whatever you feel that you feel that you can use, prepare yourself psychologically that I'm giving it away because the person you're giving it to is not anybody you know. It is what the person that the system is going to connect you with. Okay? So you're just giving, freely donating, so that even you at your time, when in the time of need, you will also ask and you shall also be freely given at that moment.
There are also no contracts. You don't sign contracts in MMM. It's given out of good need or hoping that they'll give you back something at the end of it. You donate. It's your willing heart. You want to help someone. So the same principle here with MMM. Okay? We've talked about the 30% interest. So can we talk about okay, let me add more risk. MMM is not a new company. It's the one we have right now started in 2011. The 2011 one involved using cryptocurrency like Bitcoins. And Bitcoins was a breakthrough in MMM. You remember I told you the story how they could go and get the money out of the MMM office in Russia, those times, when they were keeping the money in the house, in the room. When Bitcoin came in, Bitcoin is cryptocurrency, just like M-Pesa, but it's global. Cryptocurrency is the money you can't hold it. You know the way you have your money in your phone, like M-Pesa. It's the same with Bitcoin. And the advantage is that it doesn't have a lot of charges. When you transfer the money, it doesn't charge you a lot of a fee. Just like M-Pesa. So Bitcoin was a breakthrough for MMM because it was then possible for the MMM members to transfer money without taking it to the bank. So let's talk about the benefits of MMM. The first benefit is registration bonus. When you register or when you join or give help to the community of between 50 USD to 499, that's about 5,000 Kenya shillings to 50 Kenya shillings. If you donate from 5,000 to 50, you get immediately a registration bonus of 2,000 Kenya shillings. If you donate from 500 USD, that's 50,000 Kenya shillings to 300 Kenya shillings, 300,000. You get 5,000. So So today if you say I want to give help of 51,000, straight away you get 5,000 added. That's become 56. Then you start drawing your interest. If you donate from 30,000 and 300 USD, that's about 3,000 USD, that is 300,000 Kenya shillings. You get 10,000 immediately without doing it. That's called registration bonus. So those who have not joined, I'll give you a tip. Start with 5,000, and then you get the 2,000 straight away. You start less than that, it's only for the first people who are joining. Referral bonus, that's another benefit. Referral bonus means if you bring somebody to join the community, whatever that person invests in the community, or whatever that person donates, you get 10%. So if you're already a member, you bring your friend, introduce to MMM, get more benefits. And the manager's benefits varies. When you become a manager, you can build your own structure. So from your you can earn from your structure downwards. You can earn from the person you brought, the person that person brings in, the person that person brings in. So you earn some percentage, another person, you get 0.1%. And it goes down to 0.001. So it's very important to join and do the course because it's free to be a manager. You can study the course which is online, 2 weeks. Online program. You see now there's an advertisement. You look at here. So it supports charity programs. It supports anything that changes the community, adding value to the society. There are rules. Every organization has some rules. I'm just going to mention a few. Yeah, MMM. One is that you should not have more than one account. Everybody should have one account for one person. Yeah? Second, you must not share your bank details with others. You must take responsibility for your own account. So you don't share and then you start saying, oh, somebody went into my account. Keep your passwords, keep your accounts. But you cannot join MMM if you are below that's 18 years. You have to have reached that age to be able to be a member of MMM. Fourth, you should never delay in paying your honor. If you've clicked the provide help, you should keep checking at your personal office to make sure you don't delay. See, the MMM wants to be very efficient. So if I've said I want to provide help, and the system brings me someone to provide help, and I don't go back to provide that help, you see, you are inconveniencing the other person. You want all to be attended very fast. So when you click or you've said you want to provide help, you have to keep going to your personal office and checking whether you got the orders and provide that help that you say you want to provide. When they give you help, you have to confirm that you got the help and do the letter of happiness. And then, if you don't do that, likelihood your account can be blocked and can be blocked forever, so you don't even participate. Okay, there's also another rule that you should not always click that I refuse to make payment. If you change your mind, it should not be so frequent because it inconveniences the support. When you make that help, if today you make the help, you have to attach the proof that you made the help. Otherwise, your account can be blocked. Okay. Letter of happiness. You have to do that letter to say thank you for the community, tell people who have helped you, thank you. You have to do the letter of happiness. I think that is all I have. You are aware that we are now using the M-Pesa. Anybody who knows how to use the M-Pesa? You know how to create the M-Pesa account? Have you known how to create the M-Pesa for your downline? The M-Pesa account? Because I see most Kenyans, they want the M-Pesa, they don't like the Bitcoin. The one at least have signed up, they're interested in the M-Pesa. They want to see, they don't want the complication of cryptocurrency. Yeah? They are working on our website, so I think Mike can explain more on that.